Hello and welcome to What's in the Box here at Mapping Key Gaming. My name is Emmanuel, and today we are unboxing Cellulose, a plant cell biology game from Genius Games. Now before we get started, if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe down below. And if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments, and I will help you out the best I can. And let's begin. Cellulose is a 1 to 5 player game, plays approximately 60 to 90 minutes, and is for ages 14 and up. And this is the, down here at the bottom, it does say the collector's edition. I think it was supposed to be stamped with a number here, but something happened during production. I got this off of Kickstarter, so it's going to have the upgraded components. But essentially, when the game goes to retail, instead of having, like wood components, there'll be plastic components. I don't think there's anything additional here, as far as my knowledge, game-wise, that you would not get in the retail edition. Now, it is designed by Sleeve Schlepholz and John Cavoyu, and the art on it does look kind of cool, is by Tomáš Boguz. Let's take a look here at the back. It is really colorful up here, and it does give you a components list right down here. And up here, outgrow your friends in Cellulose, a plant cell biology game. Well, okay. With that, let's crack it open and see what we have on the inside. Now, I will tell you that the box that it came in looked rather small. And then when I opened it up, I was like, man, this is like, the actual Cellulose box looks huge. It actually looks bigger than the box that it came in. So, don't be surprised, when you actually get this. It's going to be a big box. Go. Now the first thing that we see up here is Credible Service and Credible Games. Cool. So it looks like it's just an advertisement here for a couple of their other games here that I see. Cytosis, which I did order and will be coming in fairly soon. And then Genotype down here, yeah, Subatomic, I've seen that, Periodic, okay. And then on the back here, it looks like there's a couple other games. So it's just a little advertisement. Cool. And then we have the, here. So there's 2 books here. We have the science behind Cellulose, and then the Rulebook. So let's see. The science, the game. The science, the game. And this is a lot of text. So I guess this is just going, oh, I see. Stomata, cellulose, and the cell wall. Okay, photosynthesis. Huh. So I guess this book is just going over and pretty much educating you on how the game is actually scientifically correct. Cool. Cool, and then there's some credits there on the back. That's actually really neat. I did another game. I don't know if it's up on the website yet. It was called Legendary Inventors, and that game, there's a bunch of games that have famous inventors and stuff, but in that particular game, they did give you a book similar to this one here, where it told you about, a little bit of background on the different inventors, and I thought, wow, that was really cool. I wish, that like there'd be other games that kind of did that, give you a little bit more of a background, and Genius Games did it, so that's really cool, that's a big plus in my book. And now here is the rulebook. Oh wow, there we go. There's the game overview and the components, and there looks to be a lot of cards, a lot of different resources. All right, there's the game board right there, and it looks like, yeah, this is the step-by-step setup with all the illustration. This is great. This is great. Oh yeah. Yeah, because here, look, the game concepts here, and then it tells you about it, and then it shows you illustrations. I can't tell you how big of a plus this looks, or this is, because, man, I've gone through some games and they've just been, boy, just walls of text, and you have no idea what is what. At least here, here I see a little bit of text, and then I see an illustration, right? A little bit of text and a little bit of illustration. So when you're actually, you can actually take this and sit somewhere and understand what it is without having to have the game in front of you trying to figure out all the different pieces and stuff. That's cool. The game ending, and then here we have one full page here of rules clarifications. Nice. Oh, okay, they put a reference guide there on the back. Okay, so I was gonna say, this is a great page. And then here, what do we have here? Scenarios and the mangrove plant board. Okay. Cellulose solo rules. So we do have a little bit of a solo play here. Oh yeah, I think I said that in the player count. Cool. IV strategy map. Okay, not 100% sure, but I'm sure we will figure that out. Okay, and then like I said at the back here, it's just a reference guide, letting you know what the different symbology means and stuff. Cool. And here we have, it's a little player mat. Let's see, is it the same thing on both sides? No. What do we have here? It says easy, and then this side here says medium and hard. So there's a difficulty difference one side to the other. Cool. And then here we have a lot of components. So this is the box cover right here. And then, yeah, there's no way, I don't know, there's a bunch of different things here going on. But boy, is it not colorful. And the pieces, oh yeah, they punch out fairly well. Oh yeah, that's another plus. Being able to punch these out without ripping the tokens and stuff. And I had another game where it was kind of difficult. And then here, whoops. How about we do that? Yeah, that's a little bit better. So here we have a giant board. And it looks like a plant. We got some roots down here at the bottom, and then we have some leaves at the top. Let's flip it over. Okay, not exactly sure what the different... Oh, wait a minute. If you look down here, we have roots that look to be underwater. Right? And then these are roots in the dirt. So maybe this is the mangrove that it was talking about. Let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, wow. Now, this is a big board. This is a huge, huge board. Let me kind of move some stuff around here to make room so that I could get it all here. Let's see. Okay, yeah, so starting up here, we have a track, and it goes all the way around, and then it comes up the side here. It goes all the way around the whole board. And then we have these bluish squares here. So I don't know, maybe these are cards that are moving down the track. And then stomata, xylem, I don't know how to pronounce that, chloroplast. Okay, so it looks like these are the different things that are going to be going on inside the plant. You know, there's a nucleus here and a nucleus there and the ribosome there. This is cool. This is like super colorful, and this board here as well is double-sided. So let's take a look here. What do I see? I see the exact same thing here. 0. Let's see here. So we have a 0 across here. 49. 48, 49 coming back up. Okay, stomata, yeah, chloroplast. So this looks the same. Now I'm not 100% sure what the difference is here. Here we have a picture of the plant with the roots in the ground. Is that what the difference is? No, that's the same. I have no idea what the difference is between the two sides. Oh, wait. Okay, there we go. Now I see it. Now I see it. Right down here in this box here, it shows 1 to 3 players. And then when you flip it over, it's 4 to 5 players right here. So that's the difference. Because on one side is for more players than the other. And you know what? We're just going to leave it open and just leave it just like that. Now here in the box, I will... Let's see. Oh. This insert is amazing. Okay. So the whole thing does come out of the box. Now, not the thickest of plastic here on the insert, but I will tell you, let's see. You know, but it does feel that it's constructed well. And I do like this, being able to take 2 layers, being able to take 1 layer out, and I can see that this is definitely set up to get it out onto the table. So amazing, awesome. Now these are metal. They are extremely heavy. And they look to be what those blue things were on the... Let's see here. Yeah, they look to be the same thing as these here. So I see the RPPA. Yeah, so they're just metal tokens of these blue ones. You know, man, I have to tell you, you know, these metal ones are nice. But boy, I like the way how the colors really pop on these. All right, let's put this down and let's take a look and see what else we got here. So this is a bag of wood. So we have some, looks like green hexagons here. Looks like we have a plant. Okay, yeah, there we go. We got some plants that are different colors. We have, looks like some, what are those, flasks? Huh. And some other wood pieces. Cool. And this is a sign of a good game when they give you some extra baggies. And then here we have some more wood pieces. And you know what? I think these are also represented off of this punch board here. Oh yeah. So these are going to be these pieces right here. Cool. And then they gave us, whoa, look at this. Translucent cubes. Blue, red, and clear. Awesome. Put those back. It's a big bag of them. And then finally here we have a bunch of cards. Well, let's crack that open and see what we have on the inside. Okay, so the first thing that I see here are reference cards. There's 6 of them. Oh no, so there's 5 reference cards and then 1 solo reference. Okay, so the first thing I see here are 5 reference cards and then 1 solo action card. Cool. And then playing Ivy's cards. Okay. Oh, so Ivy is the solo mode. Is a solo thing. Okay. And then round structure. Cool. And then what do we have here? Oh, it says cactus. So let's see. Well, yeah, let's just start with this here. It shows roots. Okay. And then the mangrove. And then dry condition something, and then the cactus scenario. Okay, so yeah, we have 2 scenarios. Maybe that changes up the game a little bit. Now those might be Kickstarter exclusives. Sometimes they do that. They'll throw a couple extra cards in there. So what are we looking at here? So here we're looking at leaves. So these are the leaf cards, and then it looks like different actions. Different stuff that does different stuff. Cool. And then here it looks like we have the cell cards. Yeah, these are all the same. And here I have starch. Cool. Aquaporin. Okay. So there's a lot of labeling of what the different cards represent, which I'm pretty sure if you go into that the science behind the game or whatever that book was, it'll tell you all about these. So, but the art on it, man, it's just so vibrant. It's just so vibrant. It looks great. It looks great. Now that is everything for Cellulose. Like I said before, if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below, and I will do my best to help you out. And like and subscribe if you like these kinds of videos. I may be doing a follow-up video on this, maybe something on how it all actually goes back into the box once you take all the pieces out, because these trays and stuff looks like it's organized in a way so that you can pull out each tray and then it's ready to go out on the table. And I may also do a video on how to play. Until next time, science is fun.